Okay, thanks for showing up on the channel. I sure appreciate it. Please subscribe. This is just an update. We had several days of really warm weather, and this particular day, things got down below freezing. So, just going along and checking to see how the various plants, bushes, and trees made it through the cold snap. So, once again, thanks for showing up. Please subscribe and keep watching. Morning, everybody. It's kind of cold and a little bit breezy out here. We had a few days of really warm weather, and now we're back into a cold snap. Got a little ice in the bucket. Yeah, got chilly. Just out here checking things out. Those were the strawberries I just planted. I might have ruined the crowns with the way I stored them. Stored them a lot longer than I should have. These are the ones that I just recently planted a week or so ago, and they're doing really well. They're doing real good. So I think I'll have a good crop of Albion strawberry crowns for next year. Checking the blueberry bushes. They are not really coming out of dormancy yet. I see a few buds on this one that are starting to swell a little bit. This little guy over here's got some budding going on here, there, and yonder. Nothing fantastic. It's still staying dormant. What do we got over here? This guy's not doing much of anything right here. This plant. Got some buds there and there. This might be the only limb that survives. We'll find out. This guy's coming out of dormancy kind of slowly. It's been like this for a couple of weeks. So is this one right here. This one, I don't know, we'll see. I don't think it's a total lost cause. We'll find out. And this little guy's got some little bitty buds going on here, there, and yonder. You know, like right there. So we'll see what it does. Checking the cherry trees. Yeah, all right. It's still in a dormant phase. It's thinking about coming out of dormancy. See quite a few buds on here that may leaf right out. Check the other one. This little guy right here started to leaf out, but it's got a bunch of buds. It hadn't come out of dormancy yet. All right, let's go to the peach trees. So the peach tree looking pretty good. Got a lot of leaves, a lot of flowers. I hope the freeze last night didn't do it too bad, but we got more cold weather coming. Check the other peach tree. My youngest and newest peach tree. I think it's doing okay for a young tree. A few flowers. Some of them froze and died. That's all right. Not a big problem. I wasn't going to let this one fruit out anyway. Here we've got the nectarine tree. Still got some flowers on it. Got some leaves coming out. I think it's doing okay. I may just top it right here and see what happens. Mulberry trees just staying dormant. It's got some buds on it. We'll see how it does. Here's my other little mulberry tree. It's coming along. Like the other one, it's staying dormant. So here's the bare rootstock trees that I planted. And I think they're doing okay. This little cold snap might set them back a little bit, but I think they'll be all right. We got some green on them. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. But I think they're going to be okay. Now, let's go check the grapevine. Grapevine number 1. Let's check this guy out. It's not doing much, but I think here in a month or so, we're going to start seeing some buds start to leaf out. It's got to get a lot warmer before the grapevine really starts to do anything. So that one's okay. Let's check the other one. Okay, here's the other grapevine. All right, so let's look up here a little bit on the vine, see what we can see. Here's something you might want to find interesting. It's starting to get some sap coming up, so we got a darker area right here. That's a good indication. What do we got going here? Maybe a little budding going on every now and then. Got some budding going on out here and here. So this one might be coming out of dormancy a little quicker. So we'll see what happens. Just checking on my gate. The wind does a number on it. I put that wheel on one side. I got another wheel that I need to put on the other side. I might do that today or not. It's kind of cold out here. Just chased off a bunny rabbit from right here around the blackberries. These guys are still dormant. Hopefully their roots are getting established in there. And we'll see what's going on with these guys here when it gets hot. We got raspberries here. What do we got going on here? Anything? Oh, it's just a stick. All right, no big deal. All right. Yeah, the raspberries, they're still dormant. More blackberries. These are triple crown blackberries. And we'll see how they do. I've heard people say that the horses around here will eat blackberry leaves. We'll find out. If they do, I'll put a cover over them. Keep the horses out. Let's see. Limb's got a little green showing up here, there, and yonder. Yeah, it'll be all right. So these guys need some hot weather to get going. All right, so that's it for a little update on a nice cold first day of April. This is not an April Fool's joke going on here. This is just me. Anyway, thank you for listening. Please subscribe. Channel needs subscribers. I've only got I think 41 at the last count. So anyway, please subscribe and thanks for watching. See you later.